In this episode, we sail the Isla from Vera Dero, Cuba to Isla Mujeres, Mexico over spring break, March 2018. Here we are back at Marina Gaviota to find the Isla up on stilts as we left her back over Christmas vacation. Now the task of waiting for our weather window and getting the boat ready for passage is in front of us. The boatyard is a pretty boring place to hang out, but we didn't really have anywhere else to go. We watched our deck box being built, went to town, provisioned at the grocery store, and I ended up getting my guitar strung by a local because I don't have a clue how to string those nylon strings on my guitar. Thankfully, we met up with Ernesto, our cab driver from last time, who took us to a back alley fruit and vegetable stand that we never would have found in a million years. And we got our fruits and vegetables and prepared the next day to leave on our passage.
Our first day back at sea, the weather conditions were pretty brisk. Gusts up to 32 knots and steady 20 to 25 knot breeze, but it made for awesome conditions for sailing. The seas, however, were a little bit rough. You can't really tell by this video, but they were.
I'm making lunch for Eli, and as you can see, the seas are kind of rough, and you can see the stove is gimbaled, so it moves with the ocean, and I'm just like, don't let me get burned by that boiling pasta. First 24 hours on this passage. Last night was crazy.
We were way off.
Way offshore. Huge swells, 10-foot swells, 12-foot swells,
Breaking waves,
breaking waves,
32 knot gusts.
32 knot gusts of wind.
Steady.
We're just kind of scared. I just wanted to go downstairs and go to sleep. Oh wait, that was me. What's up, dudes? Pretty cool out here. Awesome. Georgia Springs, our beautiful sunshade. You can see the mountains of Isla del Rio in the background.
What do you think about last night, Eli?
I like being at sea, so I feel like whether it's rough or calm, nothing terrible is really gonna happen. We have an awesome captain, and he's not gonna let us get hurt too bad. We think. So yeah.
Gorgeous night out. About 8 knots of breeze. Night and day difference compared to last night. Making landfall in Isla. This is the beginning of day 4. Really, total of 3 elapsed days. Our longest passage to date. Had a little of everything. Big, really strong winds. big seas, and then just like perfect sailing winds, perfect seas, and then nearly flat calm as you can see we're motoring now. We just finally pulled the sails in. The last full day was a lot of sail changes. Put a reef in, take a reef out, put them all up, roll the jib in, roll the jib out. But it's been a great trip. Everybody did really well. I'm so proud of my family. Thank you so much for taking Reggie.
We are starting the approach to Isla Mujeres, and Jordan is going to be navigating into the marina. It's going to be a little bit of time and effort to get to where we need to go, but I'm just going to show you Isla.
The final approach is always stressful. There's lots of shallow places. Too shallow for a 6-foot keel, and lots of boat traffic. But I keep a sharp lookout, and we made it in safely to Puerto Isla Mujeres. Next stop, Panama.